Hello, dear students. Today we will go through some important writing strategies, Part 1, in Module 8. Let's first have a look at the objectives of today's lesson. Today I will be able to write a short paragraph using punctuation marks correctly. Now, dear students, read the following two sentences. 1. I visited my friend on Thursday. 2. I went to the park on Friday. Now try to answer the following two questions. 1. Which of the above sentences is punctuated correctly? 2. Which of the above sentences has a missing punctuation mark? Think of it and try to work it out. Excellent, students. The second one is punctuated correctly, while the first one has a missing punctuation mark. Your answers are correct. Well, in this slide, dear students, we have some important rules to remember. We are going to have a look at some important punctuation marks and find out when to use each. So let's start. 1. The full stop. The full stop is used to show the end of a sentence or idea. 2. The question mark. The question mark is used to show a question is being asked. Number 3. The comma. The comma is used to separate items or lists in a series. And now we move to the last one, number 4, exclamation mark. The exclamation mark is used to show excitement or feelings. Have a good look at the table and do your best to remember when to use each punctuation mark. It's fun time, dear students. Let's together enjoy listening to the following punctuation song.
Comma,
Punctuation,
period,
punctuation,
question mark,
punctuation,
exclamation mark,
punctuation,
comma,
punctuation,
period,
punctuation,
question mark,
punctuation,
exclamation mark, punctuation marks. You got to have them in your sentence. Punctuation marks. You got to have them in all of your sentences. The comma's just a little thing that says slow down. So when you're reading in your books, pay attention now. At the end of a sentence, you'll often see a dot. We call this the period. It tells you where to stop. The question mark will ask you something you have to figure out. Like who, what, when, where, why, and how. The exclamation mark means to show strong feeling, like shouting and yelling, so make sure that you mean it! Punctuation marks. You got to have them in your sentence. Punctuation marks. You got to have them in all your sentences. Comma, period, question mark, exclamation mark.
Wow, it was really a nice song. Now let's move to the next slide, and here I have a short quiz for you. Write the missing punctuation marks for each of the following examples. Let's have a look at the examples. 1. Where is the girl from? 2. Selma is the cleverest student at school. 3. The boy likes playing football, volleyball, basketball, and tennis. 4. That car is going to crash into the tree. Have some time to work it out. Now let's check your answers. Well done, students. The missing punctuation mark for the first example is the question mark. Excellent again. The missing punctuation mark for the second example is the full stop. Well done, students. The missing punctuation mark for the third example is the comma, as it separates a list in a series. Well done, students. The missing punctuation mark for the last given example is the exclamation mark. Well done, students. All your answers are correct. Now let's read the following short paragraph. My name is Maha. I am in grade 7. I am from Qatar. My favorite subjects at school are English, math, art, and science. My best friend at school is Salma. We enjoy playing sports at school. Sports keep me fit and healthy. When I grow up, I want to become a teacher. Now let's together have a look at the use of punctuation marks in this paragraph. A good paragraph should start with a capital letter. Each sentence or full idea should end with a full stop. The first letter should be capital for countries. You should use a comma to separate lists. The first letter should be capital for names. Well, in this slide, dear students, you are going to correct the mistakes made in the following paragraph. Read the paragraph carefully and try to spot the mistakes and correct them. You can make a pause to the video and work it out. Now let's check your answers. Excellent, students. A good paragraph should start with a capital letter. Well done, students. The first letter for countries should be capital. France. Well done, students. After each full stop, we should start with a capital letter. Excellent again. The first letter for names should be capital. Excellent again. After each sentence and full idea, we should use a full stop. Well done, students. A comma should be used to separate list in a series. Excellent, students. An exclamation mark should be used when showing strong feelings. All your answers are correct. Finally, I have a task for you. Complete the following to form a short paragraph. Remember to use correct spelling and correct punctuation marks. Which is the most exciting place to travel to on holiday? For me, traveling to. Try to complete it to form a short paragraph and remember to use correct spelling and correct punctuation marks. Please don't forget to log on to your team's account to do your daily assessment. I hope you enjoyed our lesson for today. Stay safe and goodbye.